Raila Odinga becomes the second inductee into the Nilotic Hall of Fame. Raila Odinga was born at the Anglican Church Missionary Society Hospital in Maseno, Kisumu District, Nyanza Province, on the 7th January 1945 to Mary Juma Odinga and Jaramogi Oginga.
Chope is widely respected for the peace he helped to broker in Kenya.
His father served as the first Vice President of Kenya under President Jomo Kenyatta. He is a member of the Luo ethnic group. The Luo ethnic group are also Nilotic tribes, or the Nilots, or River Lake Nilots. Raila Odinga was born at the Anglican Church Missionary, where their father, the father and the forefathers were great Christians. What is Raila Odinga known for? Odinga was sworn in as Prime Minister along with the power sharing cabinet on the 17th of April 2008. The post of Prime Minister was last held by Jomo Kenyatta between 1963 and 1964 following independence. Odinga is thus the second person in Kenya's history to hold the position. Therefore, Raila Odinga has qualified into the Nilotic Hall of Fame, being the second Prime Minister of Kenya. It's not something small. Now, he is again in the race for the coming election, and if he wins, it will be another big thing on his profile. Raila Odinga has been one of the major politicians around the world struggling for the combating of climate change. He has been calling for urgent and swift reaction to climate crisis. In several meetings, Raila Odinga has been spotted speaking very artfully about climate change. Therefore, Raila Odinga gets the star of the Hall of Fame and is the second person. Congratulations, Raila Odinga.
Assistance must be anchored in clear country programs. We must guard against fragmented interventions that characterize the past if we are to achieve the unity of purpose that is so crucial. I point out this because currently most of the assistance is led by the UN and other international agencies in ways that are often inconsistent with our national programs and objectives. The call now is, as we fight the fire, we must ensure that we don't have to extinguish fires in the future. The time for action is now in order to save humanity in this area. We are victims of climate change. We are not the cause of it. We need to be assisted in order to deal with the effects of climate change. We must keep hope alive. You know, in international negotiations, there are a lot of things. Every country's actions are dictated by what they call strategic national interests. That is the bottom line. That is what defines the actions of all the nations. Because those who are responsible for greenhouse gas emissions are very powerful corporations. So they are basically the ones who determine policies in terms of those measures. So real power game at stake. Then the thing is, what can we therefore do? We must remain on track. We know very clearly what we want as a people. We know where we are, and we must never give up. We must continue to team up with the like-minded people in a similar situation like ourselves, and state clearly what's right. So we must remain on the correct